Alright students, so I'm going to show you how to use the Tracker app. First thing first, open your app, and then once you do that, go to Open and choose Open File Chooser and choose the video that you want to open. Now, if your video doesn't load, one thing that you need to check is the extension of the video. Is it an MP4 or not? Now, if it is not, then just go online and then change it, convert it into MP4, and then just download it and upload it again. If your video is already .mp4 but still doesn't load, it might just be because it's a different type of MP4. I'm not too sure about that. I had the same problem. I went online and then I convert my video again into yet another MP4 format. I downloaded it and then I was able to load it. So you might want to try the same thing. Now you will have your video right here. This will be your data later on. You have all of your tools right here. So first thing first, what you need to do is to set up the access. Go to this pink or purple thing right here. Just click on that and you'll see this axis right here. Now you want to drag your center of the axis all the way to the end of your track. Once you do that, then you see this little stick right here. Just drag it and adjust your axis. Now, because of hand movement during the video, your axis might slightly change. That's why, as much as possible, make sure that your hand was stable so that your axis position doesn't move. Now, once you do that, what you want to do next is to use the calibration stick, so this one, and then use calibration stick like that. You'll see this blue thing right here. Just drag one end to any measurable object that you have. So for example, you have measured your track just like what I did. I'm just going to like drag it all the way over here. And see, this one is length is 1 meter, right? You want to change that into whatever length that you have. I had 0.63 meter, so I'm going to use that. You can use any object for that, any object that you have measured before. Now, do not forget to click on here and click on lock. Otherwise, it might move when you click it. Now, once it is locked, you cannot move it. See, you cannot move it. So it's safe. Now, once you do that, you want to move this to all the way, just right before the object moves. See that? Because of my hand movement, my axis is not in place right now. So I will have to adjust that later on. Okay, so just move that all the way to when, do you see that? It's about to move, so I'm just going to leave it here. All right, so once you have this set up, now you're good to go. What you want to do is you want to go to track and then click on new and then click point mass. Now this will show your data. I cannot show this on screen, but you will have to press on shift. Press on shift and then you can click on your object. Make sure that you click on approximately on the same surface area every single time. Now, because of our hand movement, once again, now this might be slightly different. It will give you different acceleration every time because of the error of your hand. But it's okay. At the end, we'll just find the average to minimize the error. So just click on that. And then as you can see, it will start moving. Keep clicking on approximately the same place every single time. And then you can see that you have this data moving. Just keep doing that all the way. until it reaches the end. As you can see, my clicking is not really stable, yeah. So make sure that you click on approximately the same place every single time. As you can see, now it moves faster and faster. And there we go, like that. So now you have all of this data. Now, in column, you can choose any data that you like. We do have X, Y, V, R, anything, and A. This is the one that we want. So like that, as you can see, the A are all different because of the error that I made along the way. But it's fine because as you can see, once again, our data will create a nice curve right here. So close that, go to File, click Export, and then click on Data. Ooh, I forgot to say something. Hold on. This one, the Mesh A, you need to rename it into your name and then your object on what surface. So just the name of it, like that. Then once again, you go to File, Export, Data, copy to clipboard, and then hold on, just open your Excel, and then you can have that like that. So you see this data, the setting in my computer, it uses comma while this data is using dot. So what I want to do is I want to go to File, and I want to go to Option, then go to Advanced, find something that says, hold on, let me find it. This one, use system separator. Click on that, unclick that. Decimal separator should be dot, thousand separator is comma. Now once you do that, you'll see that now it changed, but it doesn't change to the way that we want it. All right, that's fine. Just delete that. Go back to your file and export it. Data, copy the clipboard, and paste it again. Now you have this. You're gonna always change this into like that. Okay, and you can just find the average of it. And that would be your average that you want to use. Now, once you do that, I want you to go back here, close this, and then I need you to take a full screenshot of the whole thing and paste it on to the Excel like that. Okay, I will need this too to be submitted later on, so make sure that you have that. All right, thank you.